Hey everyone, Xiaomi has once again disrupted the wearables market with its latest offering, the Xiaomi Watch S3, unveiled at the Mobile World Congress 2024. This innovative smartwatch, priced at €150, defies conventional norms by residing outside Google's Wear OS ecosystem, instead running on Xiaomi's proprietary HyperOS platform. While lacking app support, the Xiaomi Watch S3 impresses with its blend of elegant appearance, robust health tracking features, and cutting-edge technology. At first glance, the Xiaomi Watch S3 captivates with its sleek aesthetics and vibrant 1.43-inch AMOLED display. Available in a spectrum of colors and materials, including chrome yellow, ocean blue, dual-tone ceramic, and rainbow, users can personalize their watches to match their style or mood effortlessly. The interchangeable bezel and strap system further enhance customization, seamlessly integrating hardware and software to offer a unique user experience. Beyond its aesthetics, the Xiaomi Watch S3 shines in performance, courtesy of Xiaomi's HyperOS operating system. HyperOS ensures smoother navigation and faster data synchronization, facilitated by faster connections and a unified icon interface, providing a seamless user experience. Moreover, HyperOS prioritizes compatibility with other Xiaomi devices, enriching the user experience within the Xiaomi ecosystem. One of the standout features of the Xiaomi Watch S3 is its exceptional battery life. With up to 15 days of usage on a single charge and rapid charging capabilities, users can enjoy extended usage without worrying about running out of power. The introduction of a one-handed operation system further enhances convenience, allowing users to perform various tasks with simple wrist movements. Health and fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the comprehensive monitoring capabilities of the Xiaomi Watch S3. Boasting over 150 sports modes, including specialized winter sports modes powered by dual-band GNSS technology, the smartwatch provides accurate data for various activities. Professional exercise algorithms analyze data such as max oxygen uptake and training load, offering valuable insights for users to optimize their workouts. Moreover, advanced health monitoring features, including 12-channel heart rate monitoring and continuous blood oxygen and pressure level monitoring, ensure users stay informed about their well-being throughout the day. In summary, the Xiaomi Watch S3 redefines the smartwatch landscape, offering a compelling combination of style, functionality, and performance at an affordable price point. With its innovative features and seamless integration into the Xiaomi ecosystem, the Xiaomi Watch S3 sets a new standard for wearable technology in 2024 and beyond. We appreciate you watching this video about the Xiaomi Watch S3. We wish you a blissful day and God bless you. Be careful until the next time.